box. Now I'm gonna open this gray mochi. It's like covered in flour. It's so slippery. Flowery. Cute. Wow. Cute. Now I'm gonna open this bean opener, whatever you call these. Just gonna open these. Hang out. I'm just gonna test one because I know that they're the same. I'm gonna pop this. Wow. They just have a face. Oh, how cute. It's like a doggy. Whatever. Here? Nah, no face. And then I'm gonna test the other one if there's a cute little face there too. Now, there? Yeah, they're the same. Now I'm gonna open this tiny fidget puppet. It's open. It also comes with this again. It's super nice. Next, this white squish stress ball. Good. This stress ball. Ooh, how cute. Squishy, like the green one. You can stick each other. Now I'm gonna test the monkey noodle. I want the color pink. It's cute. Ooh. Super stretchy. We'll go it around. Now that I'm gonna test this other mochi. Ooh. Super squish. So sometimes cake that sticks in something. Now I'm gonna test this other mochi.